Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to watch subscribers only streams on Twitch. If you've seen people claiming there's a secret trick to watch subscribers only stream without paying, then here's what you should know. The truth is there isn't a legitimate way to watch subscriber only Twitch streams without the required subscription. So when a streamer enables subscriber only broadcast, only eligible subscribers can join and watch the stream. So you need to be careful with websites or browser extensions that promise to unlock subscriber only streams for free, because many are scams that can steal your Twitch account or install malware on your device. Some streamers regularly host pre-public streams alongside subscriber-only events, so you can still enjoy plenty of their content without subscribing. And if you want access to subscriber-only broadcast, then the official method is to subscribe to the channel or use a valid Prime Gaming subscription if it's available. So that was the truth about watching subscriber-only streams on Twitch. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.